Hello and welcome. Today we're gonna look at the long exposure effect. I have been always a fan of long exposure photography, and in particular I always paid attention to waterfall photos in National Geographic and travel magazines. According to Wikipedia definition, long exposure, time exposure or slow shutter photography involves using a long duration shutter speed to sharply capture the stationary elements of image while blurring, smearing or obscuring the moving elements. Long exposure photography captures one element that conventional photography doesn't, an extended period of time. This video will not discuss how to normally take these photos with your camera. There is another interesting method worth exploring that can be accomplished via software, and this is by recording a video and then simply averaging the frames. While googling, I found some videos explaining how to do this via Photoshop by importing the video and then creating a stack of layers that later are averaged. However, I also found an interesting implementation with Python plus OpenCV, shared by Kelvin S Prado on GitHub. And this is the project that I will employ. This will allow you to apply this effect without being an expert photographer or having to invest in expensive cameras and lenses. Let's begin with the steps that will guide you in the process of downloading and executing the script. First of all, download the long exposure project from GitHub. Download the pipe script, preferred installer program. This is in order to later use the pipe program to download further package. Unpack Python. Then move the get-pipe.py file into the folder you unpacked the Python software. Now execute the get-pipe.py script. So don't forget to rename the _pth file, path file, and then add the scripts folder into the path variable of your OS. Now it's the moment to install OpenCV, click on TQDM. Execute the long exposure program. Pay attention to the command line to type local-video and then your source video, output ping/JPEG file, and then the skip frames parameter. And this is the output image with the characteristic misty effect on the water. I hope you enjoyed the whole video, and please comment down below what software are you using for achieving a similar long exposure photo effect.